Hello there, friends. Today we're going to talk about how to get free stock images that you can use for anything, for business, for personal, whatever. So, first, we're going to talk about 5 different websites, and then I'm going to show you how to do it through Google. So, first, the website that I want to talk about is pexels.com. It is an awesome resource with a lot of really good images, and all you basically do is just search for what you want. So let's say you want to put together something on technology. You could literally just type in technology, and it will pop up with some photos that you can use. All of these are royalty-free images, and you basically can use them however you want. No attribution needed, and it's pretty awesome. So this is a really good website. Another one that's very similar is Unsplash. They're pretty much the same thing, and you just search for what you want. So Pexels and Unsplash are 2 that I use the most, and after doing some basic research, I also found StockSnap.io. I'm sure it's very similar to the first 2. I haven't used this as much as the other 2. I also found LibraStock for good images here, and then I also found Pixabay, and this one I have used as well. And you basically just search for what you want, and it's great. So let's say you go through all these options: Pexels, Unsplash, Stock Snap, LibraStock, and Pixabay, and you still can't find what the image that you want. You can go to Google, and here's how you do it. You type in whatever you're looking for. So let's say you're doing a presentation on dogs. So you would type dog, and you want to head on over to images, because that's what we're doing. And you want to click tools, usage rights, labeled for reuse. So once you've clicked labeled for reuse, now all of these images are fair game according to Google. So you can just go and look for what you want, and hopefully you end up looking happy like this dog, and not sad and angry like this dog, because you find the images that you want. So it's pretty much that simple.